Hello everyone. I will go to school. School sucks, Like I don't want to go to school. I just want to stay in my house every day for the whole day. This is my outfit, by the way. I have my bag ready there, so I will update you guys later. Okay? Just wait until it reaches 1 minute because YouTube will not. I mean, I must get the highest grade in school. I must do it. I can do it. And I will come back doing YouTube automation. Bye guys. See you. My YouTube channel is Yuri. I forgot it. My YouTube channel is, I don't know, I forgot it.